Always Guru, we're barbecuing, grilling, made tasty. So today we're keeping in line with our series for doing sides. It's actually going to be a full meal for us, but and so this is going to be some marinated portabella mushrooms that is just a delicious, easy way to do it. All the stuff we're doing with these sides is really easy. I'll put links to the descriptions in the information area above. I'll put them down in the description so you can see those other videos, but great sides. And if you like this type of content,
please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another video like this one.
It's almost like you said that a few times before.
Yeah, you think.
So, and this is real easy. I'm just going to remove the stems from the portabella mushrooms. Some people like to take out the gills. I don't mind them. I like to leave them in. I kind of like the texture and flavor, but some people will scoop them out with a spoon. Up to you. And then literally just going to baste them in some Italian dressing. Just get whatever. This is a Tuscan house Italian dressing that we like. Get whatever type of Italian dressing you like, and just kind of, marinate them in it. And then we're gonna put the grill on high and cook them about 5 minutes aside, just kind of like you would a steak. So good alternative to a steak if you got folks that don't want steak. Also really good accompanying steak, and could be on top of a steak too. So anyways, we'll get to cleaning these up and then marinate them, and then we'll get them on the grill. Okay, so let's marinate our portabellas, and this is real straightforward. I'm just going to kind of put them in a dish, pour it around, move them around a little bit, get them nice and saturated, let them sit for a little bit, and then we'll put them on the grill. Got to set the high so it's running over 400, and it'll be about 5 minutes aside, and we'll be good to go. Okay, so we had these on about 5 minutes aside, close to 6 on the second time. These things smell really, really good. Corn came out, that was a total of 30 minutes on those, and then our artichokes are for dessert, so those are gonna start cooling down. But like I said, doing 3 different videos with 3 different ways to do this type of stuff. So, but should we give this a test, Dark?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh man, that looks pretty good. Dude, perfect texture, delicious flavor, really
so
good stuff. So, if you like this type of content,
please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another video like this one.
do a little fast to get to the next bite. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. These are really good.
Can I have another?